Hi, Jamie. So thanks very much for sending me 8.6. I had just a couple of quick things about the work you sent. So first of all, you do a really, really nice job showing your work. So I appreciate that. Thank you. So here on number 7 and 8 on 8.6, you did a really great job using the Pythagorean theorem. You set it up perfectly, put the variables in the correct spot, solved it beautifully. When you get to this point, h squared equals 144, please remember that this is not 2 times h, this is h squared. So to undo a square, you have to take the square root. So you should have said h squared equals 144 and take a square root of both sides. So when you take the square root of h squared, you get h. And when you take the square root of 144, you get 12. So please make sure you're using that button on your calculator. And here on this one again, h squared equals 700, perfectly correct. But then here you have to square root the 700, not divide it by 2. So if you're not sure where that button is on your calculator, just send me an email or a picture of what calculator you're using, and I'll be happy to help you find it. Then you did a great job here on 7, 8, and 9, figuring out the area of the trapezoid perfectly. Did that great. And then it looks like you had a little trouble here on 10, 11, and 12. So let me go through one of those for you. So on number 10, it gives you this picture right here. It gives you a trapezoid. See if you can see that. There we go. And now it says this is H. And it tells you this is 6 and this is 9. And it tells you that the area is 30 square yards. So if you write down your formula for this, you know your area. I'm going to drop some things here. Here we go. Area equals 1/2 the height times B1 plus B2. So now just fill in everything you know. Well, I know the area because they gave that to me, so that's 30. Well, 1/2 is 1/2. The height, well, the height I don't know, so I have to keep that as h. Base 1, it doesn't matter which one you call 1 or 2. So base 1 is 6, and base 2 here is 9. So now here I have an equation, and I only have one variable, so I should be able to solve this. Let's first go ahead and simplify this. So 6 plus 9 would be 15. And I'm going to multiply those two together just to simplify my equation. So I'm going to have 30 equals 15 over 2h. Well, if I want to solve this equation, the easiest way to solve this equation is to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of this fraction. So if I multiply this side by 2 and this side by 2, this side becomes 30. In this side, those 2's will cross out, and I'll just get 15h. Now all I have to do is divide both sides by 15, and I get h equals 4. So that's how you will solve this when you are given a variable on this side of the equation and you're given the area. So go ahead and practice that. If you have any questions, let me know.